Projects, so that would be
Like coloring and stuff?
yeah. So like if you did a certain event, you could put that like an event that catered to
Like a catered-
certain number of people.
Oh, okay.
Or like a wedding event, something like that. That would be a good example of your skills. Hey, it's Nate again, your Bootcamp specialist. This week we are going to be talking about resume skills building. So the participants are going to be working on their resumes, trading them back and forth, kind of helping each other out, writing a little bit, and just kind of polishing, making sure it all looks really good so that they can present themselves really well for whoever they want to get employed by. So thank you for joining us. I think it's going to go really well.
No, I broke some extra Coke. Hot cocoa. Anybody want hot cocoa? They said, is it good? Well, James on cup number 3, so I think the hot cocoa. Oh!
I'm on cup 4. Discuss she's on camera. Let me get some more. Excuse me. It's not worth it.
Ain't no rest of
Yeah.
Basically, my skills, my good skills is I can work with computers well. Basically, like I know how to put computers together. You feel what I'm saying? I worked with it in high school, so I'm very good with technologies. That's my skill, and customer service too.
My skills are healthcare. So I did a lot of job related things when it comes to healthcare. So I'm good with scheduling, medication assistance.
In order not to be nervous with the camera, you got to look straight at the camera while you're talking, so you won't get nervous. I feel like if you're looking away, that's when you get nervous. So you got to look straight at the camera talking. But don't do it.
Little mix, smiling.
Hi everyone. I bought ice cream.
What? You love us that much to bring us some ice cream?
I
Don't you know it's a blizzard? That's why it's blizzarding right now.
do. What?
Baby snow.
Y'all want some ice cream? That's what I got. Yes. $2.50. No, just kidding. Which one would you like? Hi, I'm Miss KD, the College and Career Pathways Manager over the Building Futures Bootcamp programs. And today I popped up on my young people to give them some ice cream. They are so cute and I love them so much. I miss working direct service with them, so I just had to show up and pop up and give them something sweet, a sweet treat during this cold day. Bomb pop? Yeah. Hey y'all. Y'all want some ice cream? That's strawberry. You're welcome. Azuri, Marcel. Okay. Sorry. You want some ice cream? Want a popsicle?
Oh, halfway go. Look, zoom in on the ice cream sandwich.
That's not even long.
And he talking about blizzard outside.
You're welcome. Absolutely. Lexi, Naya, want some ice cream?
Ice cream.
Huh? Can you take the box with you? You can have another one for sure. Yeah, you can have another one. Absolutely.
I got my eye queen.
Yes. I'm trying to.
You know what's crazy?
What?
I just had a dream about ice cream last night.
That is so
The
crazy.
universe gotta be working overtime.
Gotta be. It's a blizzard outside and it's a blizzard in my belly.
Natural.